Smitty's on the move, and they're off. Taking the early lead is the number 7, followed by the 6 and 2 as they make their way around that little first turn. The number 2 has taken the lead from the 7. Now making their way on to the stretch, the number 2 Greyhound, Kyle Wasita, still maintains the lead with the number 6 Greyhound, Flying Megawatt, trying his best to catch up. Now making their way on to the back stretch, the number 2 Greyhound, Kyle Wasita, still maintains the lead over the rest of the pack as they head down the back stretch, headed into the far turn. The number 2 Greyhound still has the lead, followed by the 6 and 8. And as they make their way on to the home stretch, the number 2 Greyhound still maintains his lead, followed by the 6, 4, and 8. Now headed towards the finish line. 2 is your winner.